If you're starting your home design, you might wonder where furniture should go and how the layout works. So this transformation shows how Japandi Design creates a simple and well-planned space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. First, the living area. The setup creates a clear focal point. Then, the dining area. The dining space stays connected without blocking movement. Moving to the bedroom, the layout supports rest and easy circulation. If you're planning your own home, these same ideas can help you fix your layout and make the space easier to use. So instead of guessing what to buy or where to place things, start with a clear design plan. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.